Okay, I'm going to start with orange butter. That's the first butter I'm going to make. So I've got a bowl, and I'm going to make a full stick. So I've got a softened stick, and I'm using unsalted butter. So I will need to add some salt. If you're using salted butter, don't add any salt, okay? So there's my stick of butter. And I'm going to do this by hand because it's a small amount, but you could use your food, no, I wouldn't use the food processor. You could use your stand mixer with the paddle attachment to do this. But I'm just going to do it by hand. I've got really nice soft butter. So I'm grabbing a wooden spoon, and the first thing I'm going to do is just soften my butter. I'm going to add Maldon salt because I've got Maldon salt in my kitchen. So it's, let's just show you Maldon salt. It's an English salt that crumbles in your fingers. So you get a little crystallized crunch of salt. I'm going to get some icing sugar in with my butter here. And I'm going to zest some orange zest into it. And I'm also going to squeeze some orange juice into here. I've called for 1 tablespoon. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit in. When you're zesting, just get the skin, not the pith. Don't go through to the white, because the white pith is very bitter. You just want the skin with all the essential oils. Go. And then I'm going to cut an orange in half. Be right back and grab a juicer. Let's squeeze a little orange juice into there. This butter would be beautiful on crepes. I make lemon crepes where once you've made the crepes, you just heat some butter in a pan and you get your crepe in and then you fold it into quarters. So you could use this flavored butter for that and it would be so delicious. So give it a taste and then adjust the orange and the sugar to your taste, guys, okay? And if you like it a little more acidic, you could add some lemon too, just depending on what you like. I'm just gonna form my butter, start forming it into kind of the shape of a log. There we go. We're gonna roll it up in plastic wrap, like so. And you just use the plastic wrap to roll it into a nice round shape, okay? So get it kind of to where you want it. And then you take the ends of your plastic wrap and you're going to roll one side and then use your hands to roll it into a nice little log. This one's a harder one to do because you've got juice in there and the juice is wanting to burst out. Just to kind of show you how this works. Once you chill it, then you can unwrap it and slice it into little pats of butter. So we call that a hotel butter in the food industry. So that's just an idea, but I'm going to actually get this butter into a little bowl. It's hard to slice until you've chilled it a little bit. So you can see I've got this nice little log of butter here, okay, that I could slice once it's cold, yeah? But I'm actually going to just arrange this in a little bowl. So a little bit of salt in again. This one I'm doing brown sugar, so a couple of tablespoonfuls. 1, 2. So I've called for 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, but again, really guys, just to your taste, okay? I'm just gonna eyeball a tablespoonful. There we go. I'm going to give this one a little taste, make sure I'm happy with the flavor in just a sec. I haven't got it fully mixed yet. Try it again. Yeah, that's good. So that is my cinnamon butter. There's my two flavored butters. So I've got orange, I've got cinnamon.